officially begin this workshop, I would like to invite Mr. CK.
Terima kasih atas kedatangan hari ini. Right? ABB, you are famous in selling our products through engineering, through knowledge.
It's my first time in Indonesia, so very much enjoy the possibility and together with our OEM customers, whether they are served by our partners or direct by ABB sales units, we have capability to brand.
More specifically in Asia Pacific region, we are even seeing more growth than the overall global CAGR.
For those who do not know me, I'm Anson. I'm the Regional Channel Manager for MODP Drive Products.
Kita akan hands-on satu-satu dengan channel partner.
So we are looking more into energy efficiency. We have some mechanical stress because sometimes it's a high volume application, so we have to be careful how we start and how we stop it because it's high volume, it can create a stress by itself.
Pak, ini logonya segala macam dari ABB atau kita print sendiri? Nah, dari dijelaskan juga bahwa dari yang sudah bekerja sama tersebut dia bisa mengeprint, tapi ada regulasinya begitu.
How to prepare ourselves to win, and also more specifically on data centers, given that there's a boom in the AI data centers in Asia.
A better product, more reliable, and that will help Total to grow percentage.